Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Shreya Dhondial. It is good to see you, and what a day this has been in Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. After a Sunday budget, there was complete Monday mayhem, and it happened over something completely unexpected. It started with BJP's MP Tejasvi Surya raising questions over the Congress party's patriotism and understanding of Indian culture. After that, it was the turn of the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi's time to speak. And when he did speak, all hell broke loose. Rahul raised the issue of the Chinese border aggression and started quoting from an article that had published, an article from a magazine that had published excerpts of ex-Army Chief General Narawane's memoir. The book is called 4 Stars of Destiny and remains unpublished since it has not received a clearance from the Ministry of Defence yet. Rahul, quoting from the book, said that on the 31st of August 2020, as 4 Chinese army tanks backed with its artillery inched towards Indian positions in Rechinla, the army chiefs called to India's top security brass, including the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, went unanswered for over 2 hours. In the book, according to the magazine, there were no clear-cut orders from the executive on how to respond to the deteriorating situation as the Chinese and their tanks stood barely 500 meters away from Indian position. It was finally, according to the excerpts that have been published, it was finally at 10:30 at night, over 2 hours later, that the defense minister called back and General Narawane received the message from the Prime Minister. Jo uchit ho, wo karo. Now, this is what the magazine has carried as excerpts. This is what Rahul Gandhi quoted to show, quote unquote, the government's character. And this is what sparked a full-scale showdown in Parliament. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. The Parliament was adjourned 3 times because of this today. Take a look at how it played out in Parliament.
स्पीकर सर, ये गारंटीड ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें नरवाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोयर है, उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है। इसमें सब लिखा है।
जो पुस्तक प्रकाशित तो हुई ही नहीं है, तो किस पुस्तक को यहाँ पर उल्लेख करना चाहते हैं उनके बारे में?
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, विवाद लीडर ऑपोजिशन ने ही समाप्त कर दिया है। वो स्वयं कह रहे हैं कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई। उन्हें स्वयं स्वीकार किया कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है। अब जो पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है, इसका जिक्र सदन में कैसे हो सकता है?
I'd like to go to what Mr. Narawane said. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul quoted the book and the speaker threw the rule book at him, saying he had breached parliamentary privilege by quoting from a magazine and a book that had not even been published. But Rahul Gandhi was not to be deterred. He repeated his charge outside Parliament and said that the government was not allowing him to speak because the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are scared of him.
मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मुझे बस 2-3 लाइन बोलनी है, उसमें सब पता लग जाएगा, बट वो बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। This is the army chief's perspective, his view. Why are they so scared of the army chief's perspective? Why are they so scared of what the army chief has to say? नरेंद्र मोदी और राजनाथ सिंह की जो रियलिटी है, वो लोगों को पता लग जाएगी कि जब चाइना हमारे सामने खड़ा था, आगे आ रहा था, 56 इंच की छाती को क्या हुआ था, उस लाइन में है।
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, just take a look once again at what happened in Parliament and how Parliament was adjourned, but not once, not twice, but 3 times as Rahul Gandhi got up and attempted to quote from the excerpts of the former army chief. Let's see how it played out.
स्पीकर सर, ये गारंटीड ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें नरवाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोआर है उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है, इसमें सब लिखा है।
जो पुस्तक प्रकाशित हुई ही नहीं है, तो किस पुस्तक को वो यहाँ पर उल्लेख करना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में?
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, विवाद लीडर ऑपोजिशन ने ही समाप्त कर दिया है। वो स्वयं कह रहे हैं कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई। उन्हें स्वयं स्वीकार किया कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है। अब जो पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है, इसका जिक्र सदन में कैसे हो सकता है?
I'd like to go to what Mr. Naravane said. No.
अब हम तो सोचे राहुल गांधी थोड़ा सुधर गए होंगे, वो सुधर तो नहीं है, सेम चीज भी रिपीट कर रहे हैं। ये तो रूलिंग हो चुके हैं, सदन को चलने दीजिए।
There's a very important matter that I've been trying to raise for the last 2 or 3 hours. It is a matter of national security.
Yes.
And it is a matter of
आप लोग
national
हंस क्यों रहे
security.
हैं? आप अपने नेता पे हंस क्यों रहे हैं? मैं अपने नेता पे हंसिए मत। अब अपने नेता पे हंस क्यों रहे हैं?
Sir, this matter.
अगर मैं तो उनको अलाउ कर रहा हूँ।
Sir, I don't know.
वो कह रहे हैं नेशनल सिक्योरिटी पे, तो मैंने तो नहीं व्यवधान
नहीं
डाला।
सर, बोलने
आप लोग हंस रहे हैं। हाँ।
Sir, I don't understand this matter. What is there in these words?
अगर आपने तय कर लिया है कि आप स्पीकर के उस व्यवस्था देने के बावजूद बार बार आप उस विषय को, जिसके बारे में रक्षा मंत्री गृह मंत्री जी कहा कोई किताब पब्लिश हुई हो तो बता दें।
नहीं, मैं
या
किताब-
नहीं, आप वही बात फिर करना चाहते
सर, मैं
हैं।
स्पीकर
अगर
में किताब
आपको
की बात
बोलना
कर
है, अगर आपको बोलना है तो मैं आपको अलाउ करता हूं, लेकिन आप महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण के बहुत से मुद्दे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, it was the day after the budget, and what one expected in Parliament today was the opposition going all guns blazing against the government on the budget allocation or G Ram G or vote chori, SIR, etc., etc. But Mr. Gandhi today completely flipped the agenda. The BJP says he's raising issues that don't serve the interest of India. The Congress says Rahul is talking about national security, and that is real patriotism.
ये गलत बात है। जो रूल है एक पब्लिश सोर्स होना चाहिए, चाहे वो मैगजीन हो चाहे वो किताब हो। ये मैगजीन में पब्लिश्ड है, एक्सेप्ट है किताब का, तो इसमें तो कोई अनऑथेंटिकेटेड सोर्स नहीं है, वो ऑथेंटिकेट कर लेंगे राहुल जी, तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
I think there was an overreaction by the government side because as far as I understood, what Rahulji wished to raise was a matter that is already in the public domain. He was basing himself on a published article in the Caravan magazine, which quotes a memoir by General Naravane that is still unpublished.
राहुल जी अपनी महत्वपूर्ण बातें रखना चाहते थे और देश के लिए बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी और फिर चीन बॉर्डर या चाइना बॉर्डर का सवाल हो तो और महत्वपूर्ण बन जाता है।
उसी 105 में ये लिखा हुआ है कि कई एक चीजें ऐसी हैं जिसको कि स्पीकर को रूल बनाना है, लेकिन उसमें एक और जो कैच है 105 का, वो ये कहता है कि जो आर्टिकल 19 है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसको सबसे पहले ध्यान में रखना है।
सदन में रहने लायक नहीं। अगर स्पीकर की कल से कोई रूलिंग के बाद सदस्य लोग, अगर जो हाउस का कस्टोडियन है जो सदन को चला रहा है, उस रूलिंग के बाद तो चाहे सत्ता पक्ष हो चाहे प्रतिपक्ष, उसको मानना है। और 5 बार रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी बार बार वो डिफाई कर रहे थे। जिस तरह से आज वो एक लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के लिए उनका प्रिविलेज है, उन्होंने आज उसका दुरुपयोग किया है।
बेसिकली अंदर जो है सारे नियमों का उल्लंघन किया जा रहा है, उत्पात मचाया जा रहा है। जिस बुक को एक तरह से पब्लिश ही नहीं किया गया, क्योंकि उसमें डेफिनेटली ऑथेंटिसिटी इज क्वेश्चनेबल। और जैसे रक्षा मंत्री जी ने कहा कि अगर वो ऑथेंटिक है तो फिर कोर्ट से उन लोगों ने, क्योंकि हम भी सेंसस सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए हर तरह के प्रमाण देते हैं, और जिसको नहीं मिलता है कहीं ना कहीं वो प्रमाणित नहीं होते, तो जो चीज प्रमाणित नहीं है उसको आप कोट कर रहे हैं।
And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the debate this evening is Rahul's Chinese whisper, political theatre or patriotism. My guest this evening, National spokesperson of the BJP, RP Singh, joining us on the broadcast. Good evening, Mr. Singh. Professor Jyotsna is the national spokesperson of the TDP, joining us as well on the show. Brijesh Kallappa back on the show with us. Good evening, Brijesh ji, spokesperson of the Congress Party, and Advocate Anmol Padmar is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us on the broadcast. Kallappa ji, all else is fine. And it's all very well for the leader of the opposition to want to speak about national security on the floor of the House, but he doesn't even know the difference between Doklam and Galwan. He kept saying Doklam, Doklam in Parliament today, when actually what he was referring to and what the magazine's article was referring to was happened in Galwan and Eastern Ladakh. One happened in 2017, one happened in 2020. When the leader of opposition doesn't even know the difference between Doklam and Galwan, please tell me if he has the right to speak about national security on the floor of the House.
Shreya, I think this line of questioning, I think is it's been done and dusted. How long will you do this? Because there are far more important issues. Well, even if there has been a slip of the tongue and he has actually said something like this, are you going to hold him at it and then say that General Naravane's comments are completely, not worth it and they are going to be rubbish? I think this line of questioning has been done and dusted. Please, let's really speak about the real issues, okay? What are the real issues? Now, there is a former chief of army staff, a four-star general, who's writing a book, who has already written a book. That book says something extremely serious about the state of national security of our nation. Now, are we going to discuss that, or are we going to discuss all the peripheral issues and leave the main issues aside?
Chalo,
I think
what
this is a question which I think...
What does the book say? What does this book say? What does the book say about India's national security? Help me understand what Rahul Gandhi was trying to say on the floor of the House. What was he getting at?
On the 31st of August 2020, there are tanks of the Chinese which are moving towards India, and when they are about 1 kilometer away, then the chief of the Northern Command, that's Lieutenant General Yogesh Joshi, contacts General Naravane, who's then the chief of army staff, and says, we have a serious situation. We have an escalation from the Chinese side. And then he asks for directions as to what ought to be done. Then General Naravane speaks to the top brass, which includes the Defense Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, also Mr. Bipin Rawat, and so on and so forth. And the tanks keep coming closer and closer towards the Indian border, and there is no answer. General Naravane is absolutely, he doesn't know what to do, and he keeps waiting for some kind of a response. And the tanks are coming even closer. When they're about 500 meters away, there is a very feeble response from the central government, and that is quoting the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, who claimed to have a 56-inch chest, who said he would show Lalang to China, and he comes up with a very, very pusillanimous response, saying that "Aapko jo uchit samjhe aap wo kare." So this is the response which comes eventually hours later at 10:30 p.m. Now this is an extremely serious allegation which is being put forth.
RP Singh, please respond to that as spokesperson of the BJP. Can the BJP and the NDA get away by saying, oh, but the memoirs are unpublished and they have been published in a magazine, which is why they cannot be quoted on the floor of the House? If the leader of opposition is raising an issue, why not just let him speak?
Shreya, coming to the subject before that, I need to show you a video of General Naravane. Please see that, and then let's take the discussion further. What do General Naravane has to say about that complete instance which happened?
चाइना का कोई नुकसान हुआ है और इतने सालों से 29 से लेकर 2020 तक लगातार वो
पहली बार चाइना का नुकसान हुआ था 79 से 2020 तक हमने कभी कुछ एक्शन किया ही नहीं था। एक मिनट तो वो बेसिक फरमाइश तो गड़बड़ हो गया ना कि छूट नहीं मिली, मतलब नुकसान हुआ तभी नुकसान हुआ जब उनको छूट थी। एक सेकेंडली आपको याद है जब 26/11 हुआ था तो कौन थे एयरफोर्स चीफ अली मेजर होमी मेजर साहब वो गए थे मनमोहन सिंह जी के पास मैसेज लेकर, क्या जवाब मिला था? नहीं, डोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट दिस, डोंट इवन थिंक ऑफ अटैक। ही सेड वी कैन अटैक एंड वी कैन डिमोलिश पाकिस्तान, दिस इज नथिंग डूइंग।
ठीक है,
thirdly, एक सेकंड बस एक पॉइंट और। कारवां, you talk about the magazine Karwa. Okay, let's talk about, let's see that what did they wrote about the Indian Army. They said screams from the army post, and they have to later on apologize for that. I mean, screams from the army post saying, allocating army for the atrocities committed on the people of Jammu Kashmir, especially Kashmir in specific. And this is the history of Karwa. And not only that, even about Jairam Ramesh quoting Ajit Doval's son.
I'm not speaking. I don't want to speak about the magazine and the merits of the magazine, whether it's a good magazine or a bad magazine. I just want to speak about why Rahul Gandhi was not allowed to speak on the floor of the House. If he is quoting what he says are excerpts from an ex-army chief's book, why not let him quote that? He is not saying that the Chinese ko humne muh tod jawab nahi diya. He is not saying that. He is not raising a question on the army and the army's bravery. ये तो आप लोग, you are imposing that on him. उन्होंने कहा राहुल गांधी ने that the army was not brave. He is saying the government's response came too late because they didn't know what to do in the face of Chinese aggression.
Look who's talking. Who has signed MOU with China, Communist Party of China? He's talking. Who signed a MOU with the Communist Party of China, and whose father's trust has got money from the Chinese mercy here. I mean, they have no right to speak on these subjects anyhow. But coming to the subject, issue is there is a rule of the parliament. The parliament functions. This debate was on the president's address. And if there is something has to be done, then the proper procedure has to be followed and permission has to be taken.
That's a good point you raise. No, it's a good point you raise. And Advocate Anmol Panwar, would you want to come in here as spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party and sometimes part of the India bloc? Bhai, what was the occasion? Aaj na dastoor tha, na mauka tha, as we say in Lucknow. The fact is that today was what? Today the debate starts on the motion of thanks to the president's address, right? 2020 mein kuch hua. And Rahul Gandhi wants to speak about it in 2026. Why?
Good evening, Shreyaji. Shreyaji, let us not pretend that Rahul Gandhi is unaware of the parliamentary rules which bars discussion on unpublished documents. This issue raised by Rahul Gandhi has been done consciously to divert the nation's attention from far more uncomfortable and serious question. Question number 1, what is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's relation with Jeffrey Epstein, a child sex trafficker and a convicted serial rapist? You know what Epstein said? उन्होंने कहा कि डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को खुश करने के लिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इजराइल में नाचने गए थे.
Sir,
and he said it worked.
Sir, I will say
Why
one
isn't
thing
the
to you.
BJP responding to these questions?
I will say one thing to you.
Second,
I don't care about what Epstein says. I do not believe for a moment what he says. ठीक है? Number 1. Number 2, are you telling me, Mr. Pawar, as representative of the Aam Aadmi Party, that Rahul Gandhi is actually raising the ex-army chief's book and the 2020 conflict with China to protect the Prime Minister from these allegations? ये तो बड़ा मतलब लॉजिक ही नहीं समझ आया. Are you saying that the Congress has become the B team of the BJP?
Yes, the Congress and Rahul Gandhi has always helped Bharatiya Janata Party in deflecting from real issues. When during Operation Sindoor, the entire nation was praising the army, Rahul Gandhi was asking कि बताइए भाई कितने विमान गिरे थे. And let me complete my second question is, and a very important one, that whether India's strategic decisions are being taken in New Delhi or abroad, because it was Donald Trump who announced ceasefire between India and Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, because it is Donald Trump who announced that India won't buy oil from Russia, because it is Donald Trump who said that India will buy oil from Venezuela.
Donald Trump also says he deserves the Nobel Prize. Donald Trump also says he is the acting president of Venezuela. If we start believing everything Donald Trump says, Mr. Pawar, so God save us.
No, but why is it that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is so afraid of डोनाल्ड ट्रंप उन्हें कहे ना उन्हीं की जबान में।
लो
छप्पन इंच के सीने की बात करते हैं, लाल आंख दिखाने की बात करते हैं।
प्रोफेसर ज्योत्सना, no Hindi imposition, because I'm very scared of people coming on the channel and saying Hindi imposition. But we have a curious situation here. We have a very curious situation here because on one hand, Rahul Gandhi says, Prime Minister mujhse dar ke bhag gaye. Now we have the Aam Aadmi Party that is asking on this show, why is the Prime Minister afraid of Donald Trump? Matlab chal kya raha hai? What's going on? Again, my question to you is, what was the problem in letting Rahul Gandhi speak in Parliament?
Shreya ji, pehle to there is no Hindi imposition sort of thing from me because we speak all languages, especially any Indian language. We love to speak that. Right? Now, abhi to we'll come back to the issue. Now, my point of view is very clear, Shreya ji. National security or anything, any issue that relates to national security is not a stage or political prop. I'm sorry. It is not. You do not have, whether it is the government or the opposition, do not have a right to use it as a prop. As simple as that. Now, what are they saying? And again, this today what I'm speaking or today what Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji spoke in the parliament, let's not confine it to either China or any other thing all alone. Okay. We have to also discuss about what is parliamentary responsibility and what issues can be spoken in terms of national security wale. Kya issues hum baat kar sakte hain, kya issues baat nahi kar sakte. There should be there is a very thin line and we need to identify that line very clearly. Okay. Now, my simple question is, I'm a person who loves to adhere to rules and regulations and procedures and SOPs, standard operating protocols. Now, can any person, let me tell you, not any person, they'll feel bad about it when I say any person, you know? So I'll say, can the leader of opposition simply quote any unpublished, unverified issue that is concerning to the national security? मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ. That is concerning to the national security and which raises a question on the armed forces or the government without any, if it is not properly published or things like that. Now, one more thing is, अभी तो मैटर बिल्कुल सीरियस है श्रेया जी. चाइना सीरियस ही मैटर है, कोई डाउट नहीं है. मगर आपके सोर्सेस भी तो सीरियस होने चाहिए ना. अब जहां से सोर्सेस ला रहे हो, मान लो आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि कल को चलो आई हैव सम व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड एंड आई टेल यू श्रेया जी ये सर आप उसमें I'll give a copy to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Can you read it out in the parliament? No, absolutely not. If it is related to national security. No. My point is that. Other than that,
Jyotsna ji, you are saying sources credible hone chahiye. I agree, sources credible hone chahiye, but here the source is a man who has led the Indian army. So the excerpt is from his book. Yes, his book has not been published. His book has simply not been published. क्योंकि 2 साल से उसको MOD की क्लियरेंस नहीं मिली. आपको क्लियरेंस क्यों नहीं मिली है? That is another question. है ना? अच्छा, is there a denial that has come from General Narwane that what Rahul Gandhi is saying on the floor of the House सब झूठ बोल रहा है, मैंने तो अपने मेमोर में ये लिखा ही नहीं, वो भी नहीं है.
Shreya ji, this is the same person. For me, I have highest respect to Narwane ji. The point is, he's the same person who spoke very good about these steps being taken, right? On camera recorded भी है ना. तो मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, let's stick to the point that if it was published, मैं आपको बोलती थी जो उन्होंने बोला, let Rahul Gandhi ji put it in front of the floor of the house.
ठीक है. But Brijesh Kalappa, there is a point that Jyotsna ji is raising, and I think it's a valid point. When it comes to national security, you have to be mindful about what you are saying and where you are saying it, because this is the leader of opposition. You may have a ongoing war with the ruling government. That is the job of the opposition, to raise questions. There is no doubt about that. But when it comes to national security, there needs to be some degree of sanctity on what you say and where you say it.
Yeah, so I think I assume that you're making a comment about all the BJP comments, adverse comments about how we dealt with the 1962 Chinese aggression. Are you saying that? Because that's also about national security. You're also, the Prime Minister himself has spoken about it on several occasions. Are we then going to avoid this and speak about other things? I think, see, as far as national security is concerned, it should be all our effort. It should be all our endeavor to ensure that national security is at a top priority. And this is a book which is of 2020, which is now being dealt with 6 years later. It's not a current prevailing situation. Now, when we are speaking of something in the past, I think we must be allowed to exercise first our minds and then bring the issues to the public. Let the members of parliament debate this issue. You can't shut things out and say, no, it's unpublished. If it's unpublished, why can I read it in the Caravan magazine? That means it's published. If something is published, it doesn't mean it has to be only
the book has not been published.
It can also be in a magazine.
Penguin is the publisher. They have not published the book because the book doesn't have clearance from the Ministry of Defence. It is waiting for clearance. It has still not got clearance, so it has not been published.
No,
that is clear.
So it is published in the Caravan magazine. So there are only two people, Shreya, there are only two people who can say no to Mr. Rahul Gandhi reading it. One is the Caravan magazine, which has already published and said, no, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is not reading our publication.
R.P. Singh ji.
Or General Naravane can come and say that, no, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is falsifying the account. Who are you? Who is the Speaker of Parliament? Who is this lady speaking from on behalf of the BJP to ever raise an objection to this?
Sir, she is Professor Jyotsna, National Spokesperson of the TDP. R.P. Singh ji, I am going to give you 10 seconds to respond to what Brijesh Kalappa is saying. अगर आप नेहरू 62 चाइना को लैंड दे दिया एक्सेट्रा करते रहेंगे, ये जो चाइनीज अकॉर्ड करते हैं आप लोग, तो फिर कांग्रेस will also come up with things to embarrass you with.
जयराम रमेश ने माफी मांगी थी कारवां को कोट कर वो मैंने बताया आपको। ओसी मैगजीन ने आर्मी को लेकर किस प्रकार की बात की थी कि आर्मी एक मिनट प्लीज स्क्रीन्स फ्रॉम द आर्मी पोस्ट, तो आर्मी इज टॉर्चरिंग और वहां पर लोगों के साथ अत्याचार कर रही है जम्मू कश्मीर में. दिस व्हाट कारवां रोड एंड लेटर ऑन the press council has gone to the has given a notice to them also on the subject.
Okay.
So this is the reputation of the magazine whom he is quoting. One. Secondly, is there any contact? I mean, will Mr. Kalappa put this an affidavit that what has been published in Karma is a contact? No, he can't say that. If he says that, let him put it. Then let Mr. Rahul Gandhi also do the same.
ऐसा है. The political theatre that has played out today, na, I think it is going to play out tomorrow as well. So we'll see what happens and what the government does. We'll see what happens. We'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much. Our viewers have heard all points of view and they can decide whether what happened today was political theatre or patriotism. Was it Rahul Gandhi asking the right questions, or was it Rahul Gandhi at his theatric best? We'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you, R.P. Singh, for joining us on the broadcast. Professor Jyotsna, thank you very much. Brijesh ji, thank you very much. And thank you to Advocate Anmol Panwar, who's floated a strange theory today, but we'll leave it there. Thank you very much, everyone. On that note, a quick break. There's more on the other side. Do stay with us.